Good morning, students. Welcome back to social study class. Today we are going to start a brand new chapter, which is introduction to our economic activities. So, introduction to our economic activities lana. So, we are starting the economic activities lade. Economic activities lado. These activities are related to the generations of the income. Ngaji ki ngu lesa shila ora ngu di khaw ni ngu du ngaji khepsa di khaw ni li du lani. So nganzu ki ngu lesa di mangbo yung sigire ro kwal ni yung sigire ro num ni yung sigire chi ni nganzu ki income generate che yung sigire ro so agriculture ni yung sigire ro ta mangbo industries ta mangbo ni yung gire ro ta thanda di nganzu ki khang ki ko la la na Nepal ki context di economic activities di kha ni ngu di ra ki du la ni ro. Any activities of the people which are related to the generations of the income are called economic activities. So, any activities lega chale khande yongna ong sigires ra which are related to the mu leve yogyo khepsa yonga yogyo ra dila khala lana economic activities lai res ra farming, beekeeping, animal rearing, fish farming, trade, business, service, industries, etc. are the examples of the economic activities. All these activities are done to get a profit or income. So, manzu ki Nepal nanglo ki kije like lava ina ro farming che shinga tawe tang animal rearing lana tang anzu ki simche chhe tang beekeeping lana bee farming to rang re ro manzu ki bee di boxes tang ani manzu ki bee hives nanglo da thala so pa do dan di ki chong che ro fish farming lana tang anji ki artificial khan lagore lake tang pond to create chi che ra ani fish ju tang ne an digi shi song anji ki chong kya we tang ani trade lana tang anji ki buying and selling of goods and services chala ji ya manuel la so pa tang ra chong de che tang an business lana business startup che la so pa tang an service te tang industries tang din chu changma ni ngan chu la ngui la ki res ra economic activities cha ki re ani din chu changma nganju ki chi khoi kyumje di khashlan la na nganju la profit ra chi du kepe yong chi du res ra a family cannot run properly without sufficient income. Prosperity of the any family depends upon its occupation and income. A family cannot run properly without sufficient income less. Ta nganju la ngui di enough mewa na la ta sufficient la na enough la ra so la quick ki income lana ta nganju ki khepe ding with the mewa ina nganju ki family di yapuchni smoothly run chi mare la ta nganju basic need the fulfillment yung ki mare ro. Prosperity of any family depends upon its occupation and income. A family may live a happy life and can fulfill all their needs if the economic condition is good. So economic activities of a country determine whether a country is developed or underdeveloped. So prosperity of any family depends upon lana happiness lana dire ro prosperity lana anji ki health lana dire ro or successful lana dire ro nangmi ki kipo tang nangmi ki well being tang din chu changma khawla depend chi lana lega tang ani kepen de yongwe du ki yongo mindu landila depend chi res ro and if ro anji ki economic condition depend chi ki netang di yapo yowa ina ani nangmi di la kipo tang ani susu ki khwe changma dupki res ro so economic activities of a country determines whether a country is developed or underdeveloped. Nganju ki lungba ki laura lungba ki netang di pinju netang di la yakpo duki yakpo minduk la ne nganju ki chik ewa dos chi do di khol la nganju ki rali la na lungba khurang ki develop de duki mare duk la ne ro lungba khurang yarge ta nganju ki ari tang nganju ki European country din ju ta wai na lungba khurang be khor yarge ra yarge to of course din ju ki economic activities ti economic khurang chu ki pinju netang di yakpo re ro ta nganju ki lungba kyo din ju la ta wai na ro underdeveloped countries din ju la ta wai na khurang chu la lungba di pet khurang ki ta Philippines tang din ju ki ta na lungba din ju kyo re ro lungba di kyo yu tu di khang la gi la na din ju di lungpa di kyo che and that determines kanchila na kurang chuki economic nitang di na yang underdeveloped che economic nitang di kyo rang yure estra. There are three main areas of the economic activities in Nepal. So ngaji ki Nepal nanglo la netang pinchu ki yongtang yunggung di khawa ni cha dula na chik di singa che niwa di industry che sumba di trade songde la yungire estra. The occupation concerned with cultivating land, raising crops and keeping animal is called agriculture. It provides food for human being and animal as well. Nepal is an agricultural country. Agriculture is the main occupation of people of Nepal. They produce various types of crops for their livelihood, but agriculture of Nepal is still a primitive stage. People are using traditional method of farming, so agriculture production is not satisfactory in Nepal. So the occupation concerned with lana lega which are related to the khare cultivating lands lana ta ngachi sa tundok tave tang ra raising crops and keeping animals ta ngachi ki simje chhe la sokpa tang simje ngere tang ra crops ta tundok ju ta tang tundok tave tang tundok ta tang din chu changma la khan lai la na ngachi ki agriculture lagi res ra ta agriculture ki ngachi ki shingai ki thoni ngachu khang ra ki la na it provides food for the human being ngachu la khala sa ra ki res ra ani ngachu la chikpo meba semje la ya ra ki res ra and Nepal di country la na is an agricultural country that is changma ki hakui re ra. Agriculture is the main occupation of the people of Nepal. Rata ngaji ki main yunggung pesha lesa di main di shinga di chaki re ra and in Nepal ra ngaji ki Nepal nanglo la we produce various types of the crops ngaji ki jute, sugar cane, barley, maize ta mangbu tab ki re ngaji ki ra susuki ta khala sa da the chit la ora livelihood chido. But the agriculture of Nepal is still primitive stage lana ta ngaji ki ngoma nangshi traditional method ki rang piju tangi re la re ta ngaji ki inde chigya ta den junyam la compare chiwa in a ro ta developed countries nyam du la compare china ngaji we are still lagging by ngaji bet khura marang sa the re ro we are still using the khala re traditional methods since piju tangi re ro and people are using traditional method of farming, so agricultural production is not satisfactory in Nepal. Satisfactory yo maris cattle rearing is another important economic activity of the people of Nepal along with agriculture. It is the main occupation of the people living in the mountain area of Nepal. So ngaji ki cattle rearing la tu ngaji ki like simche laura simche din so a group of simche ta ngaji ki simche mangbunyam du chwe din so do ta simche chwe la du din so yong si re phalang tang ra yak le sopa do tang buffaloes tang sheep tang ta din so ngaji ki khang chi de re la na we often keep for milk or meat ngaji ki mina ngaji ki oma chi de tang mena shagi chi de la ngaji ngir ki wa ta din so ki manzo khang chi la na agriculture tang nyam tu la manzo ki khala gore ngule sa chire esra and it is the major occupation of people living in the mountain of Nepal ta manzo ki sa re thosa la thigi mi din chu ki khran chu ki ngule sa di chik di chaki re ra and people rear cow, buffalo, sheep, ox, donkey, pig, etc. and they get milk, meat, ghee, fat, etc. from such animal. Tasim satol din ta midin chu la na di ra midin chu ki phalang chhe tang mae tang ani sheep la sopa tang ox lango laura donkey tang ra pungu tang ani phapa din chu chui res ra and dinyam tla khurang chula oma tang meat ta sha tang ani ghee la sopa tang ani pu tang din chu rakki res ra. In mountain, animals are used as the major means of transport as well. Tanganji ki ta tang the le sopa do tang din chu ina yang anji ki transport chitu nganji phiji tang ki res ra sa thosala. Industry is the next important economic activities of the Nepal. Manufacturing of the goods in different volumes and quantities by using the skills and resources, labor and appropriate technology is called industry. So next nganju ki mu lesa di industries chungires ra. Industry la tu we manufacture nganju ki chalak jo goods jo produce chi res ra. Chidu cups la ta kurang la lega di chigen di very skill manpower kores nganju ki mi khyo jo tang ra and dingam te ya labors jo yang kores ra ta manufacture la tu cups la nganju ki tuglok ki manufacturing jo yong sigire ra ta mangbo yong gire ra ta nganju ki tailoring do ki tuglok tang din jo ki khoe yin bai na nganju labors jo mangbo khori re ra ta di chi ko me bang nganju ki noodles factories tang the shimba country factories mangbo yot the just samala labors la na the meal lega chigi and yam dula nganjula technology di khores ra the chala te me vai na nganji industry di run chi mari la khala la na industry lai re it provides employment opportunity to the people. Of course industry you to industry di khamba chi yo vai na yang do ngadila lega chigi di mi mangbo khores ra example nganju del rasila factory di ta vai na ra factory chik ta re ra ina yang del lega chigi khante mangbo du ra. So it provides employment opportunities to the people. There are different types of the industries in Nepal. Pottery, furniture industry, oil processing, wood carving, candle making, producing Nepali paper are some of the cottage and small industries of Nepal. So ngajeki industry chunga dinjo ki keje shewa ina ra pottery lan ta ngajiki jama ki rik swe nzu do dinzu tang ani furniture nzu swe tang ra oil process che tang ra ta ngajiki oil la du num di direct ngajiki khang la gore direct ngajiki shinga ni ko ni ani ngajiki swe tang dinzu yong gi ma re ro ta di process chu ra ngajiki yama factory na lo la mangbu like process mangbu chine and last la ni fine nganji ki thanda nangla sa yo khala num de li restaurant ta nganji ki shin kwe la ra wood carving la na nganji khirang ki chuti tang ra khejo tang din ki khashi ki nganji ki design din tung ki dwa din la wood carving la ren candle swell so pa tang ani Nepali paper lana ta nganji ki paper din la re ta nganji ki shoe thidip ki paper din sangma small scale industry la produce chiki re ra ta sugar cane tang sugar tang jute tang textile lana ta thulok ki la ra textile ani cha tang cement tang jute ngi chash soap noodles shoe etc are some of the major medium and large scale chagi lana ta dinjo district cha chagi re la ta ngu district le sa manga cha ko ta nganji that means nganji ki chilo la chonggi ta te restaurant la pisha ding ngu manga le sa. But the pace of industrial development is very slow ta nganji ki like pace la na ta speed like you re ra industry ki development yerge sha de la speed de pe thau you re ra Nepal na lo la. Tourism is one of the growing economic activities of Nepal due to the diversified topography, rich in art and culture, famous religious places, adventure activities, plenty of historical and religious sites. Many tourists visit Nepal every year, so many people are engaged in tourism industry. So tourism is the one of the growing economic activities of Nepal lana ta nganju ki ngui le sa chik di mangsho lana re ta mangru cha thwe di chik khang chakit lana chigen chagi dos ra ta chi khegam ni chigen zu mangbu li ra kuji ki pisha mangbu ngu mangbu tang ni spend chiga li re ra di chiku me wa la france ki stage du gaps la pisha ti re ra. Due to the very diversified topography, the such a lipa la nganji ki khala gore temperature ina re sangma loa yungki ra. So nganji ki Tarai region da hilly mountain region nganji ki different dawata and Tarai hilly and mountain sumje dila namshi di sangma loa yure ra. And we have rich in art and architecture, art and culture. Architecture la na vani di yure nganji la Nepal na lo ta historical architectures so like Bandipur jaw saja jaw tang ngan ki Bhaktapur tang Patan tin so lang ki arts nu mangbu tai yore ro nyamtla we have a very like famous religious places so mangbu yore ro historical tang religious sites so la vai na ngan ki Baudhanath tang Sambhunath tang Pashupati tang Bhaktapur Darbar Square tang ta tin so sangma chi ki yore ro. So many tourists visit Nepal every year. The lot of Parish Achigan is Mongoli, the pandemic kitchen, COVID kitchen, indeed that Chigan so Numan Shinkita, but Kurangi New Lucha. So many like people are engaged in the tourism industry. That in just Chatu Cups la Rach, the Mulesa di Yungun di Yapu to any Manchester tourism industry now Lola Legado Chi Resra. Any business activities connected with providing accommodation, entertainment, supplies and services to the tourists is called tourism industry. The current wiki some in the tourism industry style lana country shingire lanra accommodation lana nganjiki such a thesa tanganjiki lodge hotel mangbule dwa dinzo tang ani nyamtla entertainments nzo hanjiki entertainments mangbo gire rafting the bungee jump the paragliding la sopa tang dinzo che ani supply and service ten zura nganjiki yama dwell service ten la sopatang guide chair la sopata tin chu changmala khalai la na tourism industry lai resra. This industry includes the business of hotel, restaurant, travel agencies, trekking agencies, rafting, bungee jumping, etc. Tanganjiki ngun la na shingira the industry nanglo la khante du na hotel tang restaurant yuresra travel agencies nzu yurera trekking agencies nzu kharangi thongge yure trekking to chidla agency nanglo la quran chuki book chigore ro rafting tangala sopa tang bungee jump tang paragliding tang ta mangpo zip line la sopa do tang ro. These all activities help to raise the income of the people. Of course nganchuki ngui lesa din chu changma de thonli resra. Trade and business is another important economic activities of the people of Nepal. Tangajuki chongde yama che ta ani business che ta dinjula dinjugi thoning anjuki these are the important economic activity anjuki important activity lana ngui lesa chimbu chaki re ro. Many people of Nepal are engaged in the domestic and international trade. Ta anjuki Nepal ki midinjo laura Manchester international nyam tang domestic lana ta anjuki lungba nanglo la rang chongde yama che la tang ani yang khashi yang da anjuki international lana chilo la chala dinjo yama nyue tang chongai tang dinjo chi restaurant trade lana ta chong chi re la. Similarly, many Nepalese youth are going to overseas country for foreign employment and earning foreign currency. And di lawan shiki ngajiki Nepalese youth lana ta ngajiki Nepali mi lawara the Nepali ki shungel dinzo ani overseas lana ta chigel do re chigel do ko kyumje di ani ta lega chigel lega che tang ani ngui saga che de res ra. Every year millions of rupees are entering in Nepal as the remittance from this activity. So the lotak parish ra the millions ngui dinzo ngajiki lungpa nanglo liki res ra the lungpa nanglo ko kyumje di ta chigel langlo la chigel la da ngajiki shungge dinzo lega chiga ta dinzo duyo ra ta dinzo khurang ki income do re ra ta ngajiki profit do chini ta khurang dinzo ki lega dinzo chini ani ngui dinzo chula ligi re lasra. And ta ra yi ta khurang chu ya pu go chu ki rewa yu and in case yang gom ha chu ai na ni yang get to yang thangman ni sum ta ro chi lai tu chinong